Hi, this is Sonu Mehek from Agriculture College of SV from Tirupati. So we came here for training program of NIMSE. So we visited this Parikshith food products. So it was so inspiring to us that the people are so non-vegetarians, killing the animals and satisfying their taste and hunger. So we got inspired here to change to the soya products, so that we came here to know that the soya milk is also so beneficial to our health than harming the animals or getting injected to animals and getting their milk. Rather than we can process soya bean and we get milk, which is so beneficial to our health than the animal products. And we came here to know the processing of the milk, and from the waste that we get from the soya, we can process the cookies. And we came here to know new and something. We came to know that here this soya also is beneficial and many products can be made, and this can be marketed to the people. And here the faculty who explained us were so delightful and so friendly that we could understand everything. And they promised us that they would bring the product with soya shawarma so that we can have it. And yeah, this was the thing, and we are feeling very good to be here and to experience this. Thank you.